Hello, in this lesson is all about writing curried function. Welcome to our course on advanced JavaScript. Today we'll be diving into concept of currying. Currying is a technique in functional programming where a function is transformed in a sequence of functions, each with a single argument. This approach can make your code more flexible and reusable. We'll explore the benefits and see how currying is applied in a real-world scenario. Currying is a process of taking a function that expects multiple arguments and transforming it into a series of functions that each take in single argument. This can simplify the function usage, make it modular. Let's look at an example. Here, an example, we created two functions. Then the parameters a and b, then return a plus b. Then we created add 5, then console log add 3, and output is 8 because 5 plus 8. To create a curried function, we start defining function returns in another function. Each return function will take one argument and return another function until all arguments are provided. Let's build a curried function step by step. Here, we create a function, another function, and another one. Then 8 times b times c. Then we created a multiplied 2. Here is multiplied by 2, 3, then another 4. Then the output is 24. Advantage of currying. Currying offers several advantages. It's improved code readability by breaking down the function into smaller, more manageable parts. It's also facilitate function composition, allowing you to build a complex function from simpler ones. Additionally, curried function can be easily reused in different contexts. Let's consider a real-world example where currying can be beneficial. Imagine you have a logging function that takes multiple parameters like log level, message, and timestamp. By currying, this function will create a pre-configured loggers with specific log event levels. Here, 3 function level message timestamp. Then let's create data error, something error, and the timestamp. Carrying with ES6 arrow function. With ES6, arrow functions provide a more concise syntax for creating curried function. Let's rewrite our previous example using our function to see how the syntax improved. Here, example, we created our function AB, A plus B, then multiplied like this, then add 5, then this, then the output is 24. To wrap up, currying is a powerful technique in functional programming that can make your JavaScript code more flexible and modular. We covered the basic advantage in some practical example. Now, it's your turn to practice to create a curried function to different scenario to reinforce what you've learned. Thank you.